Hey there, friends! Today, we're going to explore the process of chicken meat production in the factory. So let's get right into it. From egg to fully grown chicken, it takes about 21 days for the hatching process. Initially, the chicks are nourished with water and food until they reach maturity on the farm. Transported in specialized vehicles, these chickens arrive at the farm where wood chips are spread on the floor to maintain warmth. Once on the farm, the chicks are carefully unloaded from covered vans and settled into special chambers equipped with powerful lights to regulate temperature and wood powder for insulation. Water nozzles provide hydration by feeding water drop by drop into the chicks' mouths. Their diet primarily consists of grains, protein-rich seeds, and meals derived from canola or soybean. Over the course of 16 to 24 weeks, these chicks grow into mature chickens. Automated machines like the Apollo generation system gather these broiler chickens into plastic containers for transportation to the factory. These containers, loaded onto trucks, make their way to the processing facility. Inside the factory, the journey of these chickens continues. They are removed from the containers and hung by their legs on hooks by workers. Once positioned, they undergo swift slaughter, marked by a water station. Following slaughter, the chickens are swiftly immersed in hot water and then processed through a poultry plucking machine, which efficiently removes feathers. Workers collect the plucked feathers in buckets. After this step, the chickens undergo thorough cleaning with water to ensure all remaining feathers are removed. Finally, they pass through a water drying machine before further processing and packaging. Next, the heads of the chickens are detached using a specialized hook, while a cutting machine separates the organs from the chicken bodies. The remaining whole chicken parts are then gathered in a designated area. Meanwhile, chicken feet, still attached to hooks, are separated from the bodies using a flexible band and stored in boxes. Workers hang the whole chicken parts on another set of hooks. A robotic arm, part of the master eviscerator system, extracts all internal organs swiftly. Subsequently, a long robotic arm emerges from the chicken's rear and protrudes from the front, spraying water inside to remove any residual dirt. To ensure cleanliness, the front portions of the chickens are briefly leaked. Immersion in extremely hot water eliminates any remaining microorganisms. The chickens are then thoroughly dried using a heating mechanism before being re-hung on the master eviscerator's hook, where the entire process is automated. The wings of the chickens are severed by sharp rings without the need for machinery. These wings are then sorted and stored in containers along the production line. The backs are also sliced off and collected in containers. Workers remove fins and backs from the remaining chicken parts before they are returned to the production line. An automatic tool loosens the skin of the chicken breast, making it easier for small round scissors to cut along the sides, facilitating the removal of the skin by the next machine. Chicken breasts and leg parts are aligned using a final inspection machine. A sharp ring bisects the breasts, while automatic scissors separate the hum and thigh parts. Bones are removed from the divided chest section, and the meat is separated. Additionally, excess parts behind the hum and thigh are removed. Each half of the chest is then separated into individual hums and thighs using round scissors, with each part containing one hum and one thigh. Finally, the separated hums and thighs are collected in containers along the production line. You might recall the initial segment of this video demonstrating the removal of the chicken's internal organs, followed by a continuous assembly process, each step seamlessly transitioning into the next. Now, these organs undergo thorough cleaning with water before being automatically separated by a robotic system. The livers are then directed to a specialized production line, where workers extract excess fat, preparing them for market distribution. Once the liver is separated, the remaining chicken parts are individually sorted and collected into designated containers. Lungs, hearts, and other organs are meticulously processed through the production line. Subsequently, each chicken part undergoes rigorous laboratory testing to ensure the absence of microorganisms and sufficient protein content, essential for its nutritional value. Post-processing, factory workers meticulously cleanse every machine and surface with a combination of water and detergent. Transitioning to the packaging phase, the entire chickens are initially packed by placing them into plastic trays, then conveyed to the packaging line for machine-assisted packaging. Additionally, chicken meat minces sourced from various chicken parts are automatically filled into plastic containers ranging from 250 to 500 grams or more by specialized machinery. These containers then join the packaging line, undergoing the same automated packaging process. This meticulous process ensures the preparation of chicken meat fit for sale in the market. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it informative and enjoyable. For more content like this, stay tuned.